Wagwan me YouTube family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make fried dumplings at home. First and foremost, big up Father God. Now we're going to jump into the intro, then I'm going to show you all the ingredients you need to make your fried dumplings at home.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.
So these are the ingredients I'm using for my fried dumpling. Here I have a cup of milk, and this is whole milk. Here I have baking powder. I'm using corn oil, all-purpose flour, I have salt, and I have granulated sugar. Here I have salted butter. The butter already room temperature. Okay my people, so now I'm going to make the dough for the fried dumplings. 3 measuring cups of all-purpose flour. And it's this one my people. So 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 2 tablespoons of sugar, white granulated sugar. Here 1 teaspoon of salt. Not too much salt. Half stick of room temperature butter. So I take this out the fridge like 3 hours ago. The milk I'm using is room temperature. So first you want to mix these together. Before you add the milk, you want to rub out the butter in the flour, okay? My people, when I growing up, I use water to make the dough. I don't use milk, but working in the restaurant, we normally use milk, okay? Alright, now everything mixed out, everything mixed together. I'm going to add the milk, okay? We're going to add the milk liquor by liquor, okay, my people? A little bit more milk. Just a little bit more. Take time and add the milk, liquor by liquor. Need to add just a little bit more. Now I don't need no more milk. So this is how the dough look, my people. So now I'm going to allow the dough to prove before I start to roll the dumplings them, okay? So I'm going to put in this one. Just some oil inside of it. Just like that. Now I'm going to put plastic wrap over the bowl. So no air no go inside of it. Just like this. Now I'm going to allow this to sit for 3 hours. So after 3 hours time, I'm going to start to fry the dumplings them. Okay, my people? Okay, my people. It's 3 hours since I put the dough to prove. So now we're going to roll the dumplings them, okay? Okay. Take off the plastic. Alright, my people. See it's coming back up. Alright, my people. So now I'm gonna pinch off the flour them, okay? I'm gonna pinch it off like this. And here you wanna fold in here, so. And I fold it in just like this. Then you use your hand and roll it. You see? You roll it into a ball. You roll them into a ball just like this. I always make my dumplings them small. I don't make my dumplings them big. Okay, my people? Just like this. So you take your hand and you fold. You go around in a circle. Just like this. You go around in a circle. Then you put here. Just like this, okay? When they go in the aisle, they go blow up. So I don't make them too big, okay? Just like this, my people. And me go continue to roll all of them until the dough finish. So you just want to take your time and roll it like this. Remember, when you're making dumplings, your fingernails them have to be clean, okay? Always ensure your fingernails them clean before you knead the dough, okay? See? So just pop it off. So you just want to put it in your hand and you roll. You just want to roll it into a ball, okay? And you swing in the middle. See? Okay. Alright, my people, so these are all the dumplings. And this is 15 dumplings, my people, okay? Now I'm going to rest a piece of paper towel over them. And now I'm going to the stove to start the oil to fry them. Now I'm going to start, turn on the stove. I'm going to add the oil. Just like that. Now I'm going to allow the oil to hot before I season it up, okay? Okay, my people, so when I'm using the oil fresh, I like to season it up before I cooking it because I don't want the dumplings them or anything at all I cook taste like the grease, okay? So I'm going to use a piece of scallion and 3 cubes of garlic, okay? So before I put the scallion in the pot, I like to just mash it like this so it release all of the flavor in the oil, just like this. And it's good to go. The garlic, them I just break them, just like that. Because remember, I'm not burning them too long. I just to season the oil, okay? So just like that. Now I'm going to put them in the oil. Just to season up the oil, okay? Okay, my people, now the oil finished season. So I'm going to take out back them here now. They already do their work already. Now it's time for me to drop the dumplings them in the oil. But look, you see how this ball chop? So before you drop it in the oil, you want to press it down before you drop them in the oil, okay? Press out the air out of them. And now I'm going to fry them at 350 degrees for 7 minutes, my people. Just like that. So you press out the air out of them, okay? You see how they not rise as yet? Because the oil is not over hot. If the oil over hot as you put them inside, them rise up, okay? So you want to make sure you press the air out of them. Trust me, they're gonna rise up back. And remember, we're frying them for 7 minutes. See the first one start to rise. So I'm not gonna put no more in there as yet until these set finish. Cause I want them to have enough space to float around. If you could see they're coming up. And now I have my stove on low heat, my people. Soon as they come up, I'm going to crank it up a little bit more. I'm going to put it on medium soon as all of them come right up. Because I need the inside to cook. Also, if your oil is too hot, the outside gonna cook and the inside don't cook. And if your oil is too low, it's just gonna suck up the grease and don't cook, okay? So now I'm going to put it on medium heat. It's on medium now. Now they start to catch color, you see, from the side there. Now I'm going to flip them over, just like that. Okay, my people, now the dumplings, they finished to fry. And it's easy to know when they finish fry, when they get light. Okay. Now I'm going to drop the rest of them. Just like that. As you see, they float up. Okay, my people, the last set finished to fry. I'll turn off the stove. So this is how the dumplings and look when they finish. Now I'm going to open one for the camera. Cook to perfection. See that, my people? So if you follow this recipe, you can't go wrong, okay? Okay, my people, this is how you make perfect fried dumplings at home, okay? So please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you. Peace out.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.